Hello, good day. I'm Johnson Daniel, and pardon me. I want to show you today how you can block a number from calling you on iOS device. I've previously done this tutorial for Android. I'll leave a description in the sorry, I don't know why I'm making these errors. I'll leave the link to the video in the description box below. You can check that out. Okay, this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can block a caller without any app on your iOS device. Currently, it doesn't really matter if you're running on iOS 12, iOS 9. This one is currently on iOS 13.1.1. So even though your any iPhone whatsoever, it should work. If it doesn't work, leave a comment below and I will assist you. Okay, now you want to block a number. You go to your dialer and maybe pick any number that has called you, or you can just go to your keypad and call a number. It's on airplane mode. I should disable the airplane mode. Okay, let me dial the number again. While waiting for the network to come on, now you head on to your recent. Then you click on this little eye icon over here and scroll all the way down and tap block this caller. Then tap block. You see, you will not receive phone calls, messages, or FaceTime from people on your block list. Block contacts. So on block, you just go to the caller again on your call recent list. Do the same thing on block, and that's how you can block or unblock any caller on your iOS device. I know the video was short and it was straightforward, but I hope you were able to learn how to block a caller on an iOS device. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you and have a great day.